This weed whacker line is only about $23 from Amazon for 3 pounds. Now that's more than 1 kilogram. Before using this line, I dried it in the oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for about 24 hours. And I've been storing it in an SKB case with some silica for a week or two since then. It still seems to have a little bit of moisture in it because once in a while a puff of steam comes out of the nozzle. So I should probably go dry it some more. As you can see, it's working great. For slicer settings, I'm using 0.381 millimeters for the layer height. 1 perimeter, so it's a hollow shell. So all the layers are 0 on the top, but 4 on the bottom. 0% infill. Speed is 10 millimeters per second. We're doing a 4-loop skirt because you really want to equalize that pressure and let the nylon start to flow. No support material. Under advanced, I'm doing an extrusion width that is 1.4 times the layer height with a 200% first layer width. If you come to filament settings, I measured it at 1.65 millimeter, and this multiplier is whatever you need it to be in order to get your layer width to what you said it should be. And then finally, I have retraction set for 6 millimeter because this stuff is stringy. Alright, it just finished and it's looking pretty good. Let's see how hard it is to remove. It was on there quite well, but it's removable. Looks very nice.